pushes my cheeks back. Guys, welcome to another episode of Fuel DNA. My name is Joe, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button down below to join the Fuel family and go on the hunt for the perfect car that we'll build together. On today's episode, we highlight one of my favorite cars ever made. Check this out. Guys, welcome to the 2020 Carrera 4S, also known as the 992. This 443 horsepower, 390 pound-feet of torque beast is just an unbelievable driving experience. It's got an 8-speed automatic twin-clutch transmission, which allows for almost zero turbo lag in the twin-turbo engine. A really cool feature that I enjoy as well is the drive select mode. This allows you to open up the exhaust and choose Sport or Sport Plus mode, similar to the SLS AMG that I reviewed on my very first episode. If you guys want to go check that out, definitely browse the channel. But this is definitely much more noticeable when you open up the exhaust. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. I've never felt something like this in terms of just the sheer emotional feeling that you get when you hit the gas on turns. It absolutely hooks. It's something that you really have to feel to believe. This is a must for any car enthusiast, especially if you want to go to the track. It literally pushes my cheeks back. This thing just brings it to an entirely new level in 2020. It's got unbelievable handling, more so than I've actually am used to. I have driven an older Porsche 911, not nearly with the technology of this one, but it's definitely something to be said for what Porsche has done over the years in terms of the evolution of their handling and just all the technology in this car. In true Porsche fashion, this car goes exactly by the inch of where you want it to go. You basically don't even have to think about it. Let's go ahead and put the POV cam on so you can experience driving the 2020 Carrera 4S. This thing is unbelievable. Check it out. All right, guys, welcome to behind the wheel of the 2020 Carrera 4S. Here we go. Models that I've driven, it really didn't have that throatiness that you find in this car. They've really tuned the exhaust to make it much more of a fun and, you know, sportier car to hear and to drive. I mean, this interior is gorgeous. The technology, the ease of use, the ergonomics of all of this just makes it so easy. My favorite option right here is the seat coolers, especially in the summertime. And if you're going a little bit fast, you want to cool off that sweaty back. Another thing I'm looking for in this car that we built together is comfort. And this thing is going to be perfect for, you know, longer trips if we do rallies and whatnot. So I really like the fact that this is definitely a daily driver and it's a very comfortable car for long distances. I've mentioned it before, but the seamless shifts that it makes, especially with a twin turbo. I mean, I'm used to twin turbos and I've driven them before, but you always get that turbo lag. Guys, let me know in the comments down below which one you like better, the SLS AMG or the Carrera 4S 992. as we go along this process, I want to just kind of compare and see where your guys' head's at. Do you guys like, you know, the 6.3 liter V8, or do you like more of a, you know, twin turbo V6? Again, if you haven't checked out the review on the SLS AMG, that thing is an incredible machine. I highly recommend checking it out, and I would love your opinion on both of them. Yeah, baby. Guys, if this is the first time you're watching an episode, I've only had 2 episodes so far, but in the first episode when I reviewed the SLS AMG, I kind of basically gave a rundown of what the channel is going to be. So with your help, I'm going to continuously ask what you guys think the best car to get is as I test drive them and get your opinions. And then eventually, once we choose a car, we're going to just completely mod it out with your suggestions and make it a car that's both mine and yours for the channel. Take it on rallies, go to car shows, do everything that we want to do with it, but it's all going to be with your help. So follow my journey on this, join the journey, the Fuel family, and let's make this thing awesome. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, hit that subscribe button to join the Fuel family. We're going on the hunt to find the perfect car to make it the sickest one on YouTube, and with your help all along the way. Until next time, guys. Later.